It's Jamie's Random Question Time!
Right, we're back again, and we have...
Mike from Greenhawk Construction.
And what are you doing today?
Checking out and trying not to spend too much money. That's the biggest problem. I've already been warned by the lads.
Right.
But yeah, checking out some new products and stuff like that, to be fair.
Okay.
And see what's about and meeting up with some good mates, to be fair.
Sounds like the plan. So we've got some quick fire questions.
Okay, go for
Are
it.
you ready?
Yeah, we'll see.
Let's go. Luceco or BG?
Oh, it's a bit tricky, that one. I'm going to go with BG.
Board change or weatherproof sockets?
Oh, board change.
Indoor or outdoor electrics?
I like outdoor. I know it sounds mental, but I do like outdoor. To be
Okay, so outdoor. So again, weatherproof socket or outdoor lighting?
fair. Oh, lighting for me.
Lighting. So outdoor lighting or indoor lighting?
Yeah. Oh, mate, honestly, that's a tricky one. But yeah, I'm going to stay with the outdoor. I'm gonna
Outdoor
go
lighting,
yeah.
okay. Security or decorative?
Oh, decorative all day.
All
Security's
right.
boring.
Okay. We're choosing Luceco. Are we choosing Luceco decorative lighting now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Under pressure with that one.
Yeah, I mean, in fairness, the range is phenomenal, really. And
Yeah.
let's be honest, it's took a massive leap forward for me. As you know,
Yeah.
I love the brand, so it makes sense for me, doesn't it? You know,
Yeah.
to be honest. But yeah, so decorative I'll go with.
And it's mainly garden spikes.
Yeah, I smash out quite a lot.
Smash out garden spikes.
So yeah, so it gives so much different aspect. You can move them around throughout the year and all that sort of stuff, and
Yeah.
you know, change the look of your garden straight away. So.
So that's Mike Humphries, Greenhawk Construction. We know he only likes to be outdoors in the summertime, putting garden spikes in, and that's it from us. Right, so that's a wrap at CF Live for this year. It's been great, lots of people to the stand, really busy, lots of contractor engagement, checking out all of our new innovative products and future-proof products that are available very soon. Check out all the links below to follow us on social and all the contractors that we've spoken to today. Thank you for watching.